Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you some easy and natural gardening tips with natural materials that will give your home garden a very beautiful look. These are a few materials that I am sharing with you. I hope you will like the video. Let's go and start the video. Among natural materials, the best is to use coconut shell. With this you can make very beautiful planters. Some planters can also be hung, and their beauty gives a natural look.
The second natural material is bamboo. With the use of bamboo, you can make very beautiful planters. Its planters can also be hung. This gives your home and garden a new look, and it doesn't cost much either. You can definitely make planters to decorate your home and give gardening a new look.
The third natural material is seashell. You can easily find shells on the seashore. With this you can make attractive and beautiful planters. This gives a new look to your gardening. Seashell can be used in both indoor and outdoor plants. Make decorative planters with it or hang them, or plant directly in the seashell. All these materials prove to be excellent in gardening.
Number 4 is natural podder or dry wood. We can also make beautiful planters from dried tree trunks, and we can use it to make many types of planters. Some planters can be made from trunks and some from dried branches. There are many DIY planters that are made from dry wood. This brings a new look to gardening, which looks very beautiful to see. These can be easily used in both your indoor and outdoor plants. Surely some of you must have kept such planters in your home, which are made from dry wood. This is an excellent natural material, which you can also get easily.